Whew. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And sorry for the splash of sunlight, but I'll try to do something with the lighting. Just give me a moment. But till then, let me talk about what I'm going to do in today's video. But before that, I'm really sorry for being MIA this whole in week because I had so many assignments to do and it was a hell lot of hectic. But in this trap of exams, assignments, and everything, I've just delayed my process of making vision board, and I thought, "Okay, now I'll make next year." But then I thought, why next year? I have still 11 months to go. I have still a lot of things to do, and I have still so many goals to achieve. So when you feel you're ready, you need to make your own vision board, not just to predict a goal or just to imagine stuff, but to have something which keeps a track on you. But seeing your vision board every day will keep you on a loop of that what you are meant for and what is that is important in life. Today I was scrolling through, Scroll Stack, and I came across this quote which I also uploaded on my Insta stories. It was that if the rain that touches your body has to travel miles just to get you, then so will everything that's meant for you. And it's such a beautiful phrase, and it kind of motivated me to do my vision boarding process. And I take my vision board creating process very personally, and I love creating vision boards. I love having a plan, and I want that I'm very organized in life. Though I'm not, I'm trying my best to be. So I'm trying my best, and let's get started. So if you're also making your vision board with me, then please join me. And it's okay if you're late, because trust me, it's better late than never. And I'm having my diet coke with me. I have all my setup done. So the only thing you need is a chart paper. Yes, I use a chart paper. Some of your stationaries, and I got my Vision Get prints. Yeah, what am I speaking? So basically, you need prints of the images which you have set up. I've used some of printers. Today is my fumbling day. But as I was saying, I'm using some from Pinterest. I've used AI to generate some which is more specifically aligned to me. And I think let's get started. I think this is more better. I mean, the sunlight is still there. There are some here and there hoops, but I hope you can see the setup which I've tried to create. Now, first and foremost thing is to wear my chashma. If you guys didn't knew, I'm a chashmish, and I always forget, ignore my fumbling today. I always forget my fiber cloth. So, yeah. But I'm a chashmish, if you can. Okay. Now, माइक दूर था आवाज आई क्या but anyways let's open our now I don't know how to do this things ASMR things, but we can try opening our can. That was so good of a fuss. We needed some caffeine to get started. And let's have our first sip to get started. I love Diet Coke. Amazing. So now, how have I planned out this? Is that I've created a vision diary for me. So that way, we're going to organize everything on our chart paper. Now, this might be a bit of a task to manage everything, but I think we'll do a pretty decent job. Okay, guys, so first and foremost, the important step in vision board creation is to have a lined up set of goals. Like, for example, I have smaller pictures of some of the brands I want to work with, some of the trips I want to take, some of the AI generated goals which I have personalized for me. This year, and I've always known that this is the path I want to take my year towards. But for 2026, I want to be more spontaneous. Yes, I am going to be very planned, very organized, and I'm going to, get everything done which I have planned that I would get done. But the thing is, I really want to be available for spontaneous plans also, because somewhere I feel that in 2025 I have bound myself to my limit so much that there were opportunities which were laying down for me, but I just didn't get through them because it wasn't the part of my plan. So I think this year I try to be more spontaneous, more adventurous, and I really want to travel a lot. I know it's going to be difficult as a student, but that's like my most important goal, because I feel traveling makes me feel at peace. And every time I travel, I find something new about myself which I can relate up to. So definitely this year is gonna be business travels, lot of content creation I want to do, and I want to align myself with a healthier version of myself. It's not just of looking a certain way, but a being certain way and living a healthy lifestyle. Because past 1 week I have been not in my great space of mind, I would say. There were few people in my life with whom I attached a lot of expectations with, and I had to taught myself again the law of detachment, which is so difficult for me to detach, and I'm still working on it. So there were a lot of emotional spiraling. So I focused on work, and there was not much productivity out of that. That's why I couldn't show my face to camera, because I feel camera is the place where I need to be. I feel my authentic self. Like, this is a place where I don't want to lie or portray a version of me that I am not. So that's the reason I took a break. It wasn't even a break. I was just trying to figure out that what is going on, because I myself didn't know what is actually happening with me. I was working out, I was going out, I was doing some or the other stuff for the internships. I was like, working hard for a business fest, and I won the business fest. But the happiness which comes along with it, it didn't come. Like, I was very nonchalant about it. I was really sad about it. So I feel there was something wrong in the way I was thinking, and I had attached so much expectations and hope from winning certain things and getting some people. And I feel people and expectations does not go on the same pathway. So for 2026, my major goal is to align with myself, to be a version of myself that I am proud of, and not just doing stuff for the sake of doing. I'll prioritize taking rest, I'll prioritize working when needed, I'll prioritize my tasks to a level that it makes a better version of myself. And some days I need to push myself, because I'm not here for resting. And these are not my years to rest. When the time for resting will come, that's when I'll rest. But this is my time to achieve goals with hustle. So yeah, more hustling, more goal oriented stuff is my plan for 2026. And I want to make it a fun year and not a boring year. I want to make it a year that counts, a remarkable journey, a beginning of a better version of myself as an adult. So yeah. Okay, so I'm done with my pictures. Like I've cut as fine as possible. And if in time if you could see me making some faces, that's because I was listening to a podcast, and it's a Nikhil Kamath podcast I'm listening to. I am so much into podcasts nowadays, guys. I really think I should start my own. What is your opinion on that? Now, one key lesson which I have learned about vision boarding in general is to divide your goals. Now, how does this work? Is that make a category, maybe like your health, your lifestyle, your career, your business, your content creation, your travel. So, for each category, you have to lay down like a particular goals. For example, if you are a business owner, then your goals might be to earn 100 crore revenue by the end of the year. So you need to be as exact as possible. If you are a content creator, your goal might be to hit 1 lakh subscribers or 10 lakh subscribers, and just curate it in such a way that you can see yourself achieving those goals. Now what I do is that I have listed each category, and I have like one specified goals which is like non-negotiable for that category. For example, scoring a 4 on 4 CGPA in my university is something a non-negotiable. Like I have to work hard enough to get that. Now there are certain vague, I won't say vague goals, but these are just dreams which I feel like it's like a miss or a hit, if makes sense. For example, going to a like getting a dog maybe. Now it's just a desire which I have. I'm putting in my vision board. It might come true, it might not come true, but it's a wish which I hope that it gets over. So sometimes you need to keep all those goals also, because this would help you to align with your long-term goal as well. So now my goals are more like, for example, if travel, if I consider, then there are few international trips I want to take. Now one non-negotiable trip I hope to take this year is to go to Vrindavan and just spend some beautiful spiritual days over there. So that's something a non-negotiable for me. If I talk about content creation, then I need my content to get monetized. I want to reach more audience, and I want to build a community which is more personally connected to me. So these are some of the goals which I laid down. I have also brought down the images of the brands with which I want to work with, because I love collaborating with brands, with people, and so those are the goals I'm working towards. And I think you need to be as clear and specific as you can, because that would help you to align with your more defined and more structured self. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to now organize it, and beside each image I'm going to write certain stuff. Like for example, I want to do certain corporate internships, so for that I need a certain way of a look, or I want to dress a certain way. So I have this image of how I would like to dress, how selfies I want to take. So you need to be as specific in each area, even if it's a small thing, just taking a photo, or how you want to see yourself in the